Today we are seeing how to solve Windows recovery problem. We are seeing 4 technique. Do not forget subscribe, follow my channel. Let us see the first technique. Go to see advanced repair options, and then troubleshooting. And then advanced options, and then startup repair. Just wait for a few minutes. Select user, and then continue. Just wait for a few minutes for diagnosing PC. Let us see the second technique. Go to see advanced repair options, and then troubleshooting, and then advanced options, and then command prompt. Type D side to see where your Windows is installed. Type dir to verify your R incorrect device. Type CD Windows I system32-config, and then enter type MD backup. Enter type copy backup. Type CD reg backup. Type dir to verify type copy. Press A to overwrite files in the destination type. Exit and enter choose continue. Let us see the T-Fed technique. Go to see advanced repair options, and then troubleshooting, and then advanced options, and then system restore. Go to next, select restore date next. Yes. Let us see fourth technique. Go to see advanced repair options, and then troubleshooting. Reset this PC. Keep my files. Enter the password. And then reset. Just wait for a few minutes, resetting the PC. It's all about 4 technique. Do not forget subscribe, follow my channel. Thanks.